3K, yes.
Wow. It's amazing.
I send it to my family so they can be jealous.
They will. And they will. That's amazing. Yeah. Now it's up to you. You have to tell us where you have to say where are we going? Yeah, basically.
Oh, it's big time.
It's amazing.
It's gonna time.
Because in there it's Waterloo. Waterloo. Yeah. Yeah, it's 11 o'clock, so basically they are, yeah, it's right on time. Now, I think Waterloo.
Dieser ist jetzt gerade. Dieser ist jetzt gerade. Friend of mine.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay.
I always joke with him.
I understood, yeah. Yeah. Let's cross it. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. Yeah. Now let's go.
I think I come here to make my holidays here with the kids.
Here?
Yeah.
All right. You coming back?
My ex-wife.
Your ex-wife? Oh, but that is.
But not for me, for the.
Of course. No, but what I mean is that it's super nice because you have that kind of for the sake of your kids.
Yeah.
For the sake of our kids.
It's very important.
Man, that's amazing. Yeah. Wow. And you told your kids, of course, that you were going to come. Absolutely. So embankment.
This is the HR.
Of Aguila?
No, from my old employer.
Your old firm.
Yeah. I can write him. Okay, with you I couldn't make this trip.
Too bad.
Because he wanted to convince me to stay.
Yeah.
And he said, oh, it is not so safe. Stay here. And now I can tell him, okay, then I couldn't do this trip.
But you had your job, but you wanted to go away. Basically.
Yes, because it was a very nice opportunity
Yeah,
to be senior manager.
of course. No, and it is, and I got that feeling right from the beginning, when I got the interview with Chris, even the first one at Aguila, when they told me, oh, you're not gonna get it because your German is not up to
Was
standards.
it a bit uncomfortable for you when Chris told us that
Yeah.
you had this two
No.
yesterday? Was it okay for you?
No, listen.
Yeah.
For me, I knew it already happened. It had already happened, of course. And for me, the stuff is that it was not meant for me because it's a language. It would be different if, for example, I am a German. I am a German speaker, but for example, I cannot get a job because, for example, you are.
Let's take a picture together.
Yeah. Because, for example, I would be mad. Good, great.
You can send it then.
Yeah. Oh man, amazing.
The seniors.
You're gonna have to share that with me.
Yeah.
But I was going to say, for example, if I was a German speaker and I was just because I'm a foreigner, for example, I'm from Portugal, you were already living in Germany, and you were selected because you're already there, and I am not. That would be for me something like, I mean, probably, yeah, I was disadvantaged because of something that, I mean, it's a matter of condition. Like, I'm not in there. I'm not I'm not from anywhere near the country, Germany. Yeah. It would feel like, man, it's like a discrimination, you see. But in this case, no, I did not meet the conditions. It's a language. I know that I don't know the language.
Yes, of course. It is. In Aguila, it is a new German.
And so for me, it's all right. It's absolutely all right.
Other people are not used to speaking English.
Yeah. I understand.
And so the communication, the authorities wants that the reports in German.
Yes. And for example, I know they allow me to speak English in the office.
Yeah.
But I don't feel comfortable, 100% comfortable, without trying to speak Dutch, because I know that some people in there have trouble speaking English.
Yes.
And so I want to be part of the team. That's why I make an effort to try to learn the language, you see? And so in Aguila, even if they gave me the opportunity, which they should not give me, because I don't know the language, it would be tough. It would be uncomfortable for me. It would be uncomfortable for the team. I don't feel bad at all. Of course, you get the shock. Oh, sorry. You get the shock. It's okay. You get the shock because they put some expectations on you, and when they invite you for an interview, they tell you, please come. So you believe, all right, they are already aware that I'm not a German speaker.
Yeah,
But then they reject you because of the language. I think it should never happen. But the fact itself that they rejected me because of the lack of German speaking skills, I can't be mad at all because I don't know. I cannot be mad at something that I don't have. Right? I don't have. I have to admit. So no, and the fact that you took the role, come on, it's natural. Eventually, and I can tell I'm surprised that it took so long because the recruitment process that I applied, I had an interview in early January, or around mid-January, 15, 16, 17, 18, January last year. So you are now at Aguila for 3 months?
more or less, yes.
Yeah, so
I had my interview in July.
in July. So you see, it took them that long to fill the vacancy. So at some point they may have realized, wow, we are asking probably for something that it's difficult to find.
Yeah.
A person with the skills of risk and then with the skills of the language, it's tough. Fortunately they found you, but I believe that they must have scratched their heads and think like, this is getting tough to find, right?
Yeah.
And I mean, yes, because even after I joined Veterfina, I saw that the vacancy was still open.
Yeah.
The vacancy remained open for a long time.
Yeah.
See? I was looking what is there. I don't know what is there. I have no idea. Oh, whatever. But no, I can't be mad at all. I mean, it's normal. If you don't speak the language, and especially in a country like Germany, which I know that the language is really necessary. There is no other ways. you have to know the language. So yeah, that's it. I'm not mad at all. Actually, and as you saw, I find it funny. It's funny because if someone tells me, "Oh, you're gonna meet the same person twice for an interview," come on, you're kidding me? How is that possible?
So incredible.
What?
Should we go in this way?
Oh,
Do you want to go on tonight?
no, it's
No,
just
thank
to see, just to walk around. We can walk by it. All right, thank you, thank you. I don't know if there is anything in there. Wait, we crossed the bridge. Oh yeah, but we can go this way. What do you think? Or we? Is there anything in there? I don't think so. There's nothing in there. I think besides those buildings, I don't think there's nothing in there.
Let's see. So what is Waterloo? What Big Bang? Okay, Westminster.
In the Waterloo, where is the Waterloo? Waterloo must be somewhere around here.
Yes.
So Waterloo, we have to go that way to see the Waterloo without spending too much money.
Oh,
See, so
yeah.
which is nice. You see, it's good. You feel it's nice. But this is the Waterloo Bridge, right? This is the Waterloo Bridge. You don't see the bridge with
With the tower.
with the two towers, the Twin Tower Bridge. I think it's
Tower
called
Bridge.
the Tower Bridge. Yeah. I don't know where it is.
I think Jubilee can help us. 3 kilometers from here.
Where is it? Tower Bridge.
Okay.
Oh, it's on that side.
Yeah.
I mean, probably it's too long to go from here, but
So we can use the tube.
probably it's not gonna worth it. I don't know. I mean,
26 minutes.
by the tube, through
By
the tube.
But 3 kilometers, it is very long.
Yeah, to walk is long. Yeah, it's long. Yeah. I mean, we can go, but how far is it? If you could see it from here, I don't think we can. I don't think we can. What is in there? Oh. Ah. Probably you could walk all the way from here. You see, and you can probably, because the river makes this corner. Probably when you get to that side, you can see it.
Yes.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. The cathedral. I don't see a cathedral in here, but yeah. Where's the cathedral?
Gone. British Museum.
Yeah, Westminster, have you?
Yes. We wanted to go to the St. Peter, right? Oh,
St. Paul's. It's not that far. Yeah, let's go.
let's go. Yeah.
Probably. I don't know. It feels like maybe that building over there with the dome. Probably, yeah. Oh, if that is the building, that's probably a bit too far, but I don't know. We'll see.
We can take the tube and
Or we can take the tube. Yeah. Probably. Yeah. Otherwise, it's gonna take too much time. Assuming there is a tube station in here somewhere. Is it too far? No.
so for the tower tour, we recommend take the.
No, we're not gonna go back. I think there must be. Yeah, there is a tube somewhere in there.
Lost in London.
I mean, if you think about it, yeah, this city was the most important city in the world for a time, like 1 or 2 centuries ago. And you never came here? Come on, it's so ridiculous. Like, it's that and New York.
Yeah.
In New York, yeah. I think, I know that is for the pier to take a boat. Oh, there is one in here, the underground. Yeah. Probably is the best way for us to go, right?
Let's see a map there, a plan, and then we can
Yeah.
there for
Because
some
for sure,
places.
from that cathedral, you can see the Tower Bridge for
I
sure.
think so.
I'm sure there must be something like that.
So impressive.
And not only that, it amazes me how they were able to, to create this network of stations. Like, it's amazing.
It's really amazing.
Wow. Because they talk about the metro network, the subway the network in New York. It's hard to imagine how can it be even bigger than this. I don't know. I heard that it's bigger, but how is it possible?
It's very difficult to imagine. Yes.
Yeah. There's a toilet inside the station. Oh, but we need to know which line to take, right? Because we don't know. Oh wait, there must be a here. What is the station? So we are here. Must be somewhere around here, right?
Singapore. Yellow one or football.
Towards what? Mansion House?
Mansion House.
Let's go.
Okay.